Data is the king. Right now, everyone is running behind it. It is the new oil, but the problem is nobody knows how to handle it. We are here to teach the students how do you handle this data, how LLMs work on data, what are the operations required in LLM for data. So this is India's first point where we are trying to do this for BCA MCA students. Now, how is this data going to be used by a robot? When I say robot, we are talking about artificially intelligent robots. So that is what we are going to cover in this course. We are also going to cover how this data forms a central system of artificially intelligent neural network. We are going to learn how LLMs are created, how LLMs work on data, what are the operations required in LLM for data. So these are all the things very important for making your own projects, making sure you can solve a real world use case. Students will be ready to create any level of projects that is required to solve a use case in the industry. Specifically, they will be able to consult for projects that has to solve a solution in the industry. And the solution will always come from managing data. We are here to teach the students how do you handle this data. We will be learning how efficiently you can store, manage and retrieve all the data problems that you deal with in a software solution. Now the concept of databases, the concept of collecting data is not new. We have been doing it for a long period of time. We have started collecting data, we have started learning about data from a lot of things. We are covering how data will be used in the backend, how a backend connects to a database, how this backend connects to the front end, how this front end now is going to be deployed with DevOps. Till now the students have learned how you can make a simple web app that has a front end, has a back end, has a simple database. They have learned how this will even go to the cloud. All of this are the different life cycles of data. That is the core philosophy of what you are teaching in the cohort. So this is India's first point where we are trying to do this for BCA MCA students. Along with Control and RCM, we are making sure the students understand how they can use this data, how they can control data, how they can make sure they can make an application with this data that will help solve a use case. So from the last 2 weeks, I've been very thrilled to interact with the students to understand what problems they face and how they can understand this concept of managing tech and managing data. Join us here at RCM to be a part of this journey. AI for Life.